Hello, how we going? We've actually done some stuff. The yard's all finished. I actually got my SD70, well they SD90 Max. Got them up and running. They're pulling my pole drag. One thing I have done is the B&O is on one track. I've put a couple of those joiners just in there. There's no power in, they're just fakies. So I can actually part the B&O and my aim track on the one track. So I think it's really, really good. So it's all done. Don't need to buy any more points. But then again, we're still thinking about joining these two up. So putting a point in over here and running across to the other side and doing stuff. That's what I do. One thing I have learned is this bridge here. That folds up. That's how I get in and out the door. If you have that up while you're running the trains, they fall off there and they land down there and they break. So my city of Los Angeles has got now one locomotive and we have some broken ones. It's just all the couplers off the front ends are all missing. They're just there. So got a mate who might be able to fix them for me. I'm really hoping so. But yeah, I moved all my trucks out the way. They're in a cabinet now, so I've got more room for my stuff, which is really good. Everything's unpacked. I went to the, I think you call them thrift shop. We call them salvos, second-hand shop. And I found this. It's all Union Pacific. The lights on it. But picture of the big boy. It's really nice. That was $16. So I was really happy with that. Which is really, really good. But hey, look, it's green stuff. So this is what I've been doing. It's actually coming in quite well. You can see there will be a small tunnel just going in here. And I'll just pop out the other side. So the brown bit in the middle is going to be the lake. Have a little island in the middle as well. See bridges. That should look pretty good. I am running DUP and it is only DC. So I've still got a bit of work to do, tunnel entrances and bits and pieces. So that's just all the green polystyrene or foam and the plastercloth. I've got my trees, starting to use the pine trees, and I need lots of pine trees. My daughter says that one fell over. It's like, yeah, trees do fall over. Even on model train sets, they fall over, believe it or not. So there's the other entrance to the tunnel. It's only going to be a small one, as you can see. Hard to see. Nice and simple. So I just got to work out the colours. Start planting some rocks. Getting stuff like that done. So we're slowly getting there. I've got my North American train station because I broke the other one. A little breaking stuff, I don't know why, but yeah, I'm going to break stuff every now and then. So I'm happy with that. It sits in there quite nicely. Haven't done anything in town for a while. It's still the same. I was thinking about painting it all like black bitumen. I'm not 100% sure yet. If you paint it, that's it. It's all over. It's going to be that colour forever. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure yet. The old Super Chef out. Haven't had that running for a while. Yeah, I'm getting there. Slowly but surely. It's a lot better now with a lot more storage. I have to get some more bits and pieces, some more shelving I think. But the main concern is the bridge. I'm going to leave it down. I've got to come up with an idea. I don't know how to wire it up to stop it. I might be able to YouTube a video and find out how it's done. But we'll figure that out. So this whole hill's just going to be covered in trees. So it should look quite good when we start getting into it. You can see there, it's really hard to see the train. There's the tunnel entrance. There we go. I am running the, you call it the UP. So I've worked out one thing running DC. It's better off running all the same locomotives. All the gearing, everything's the same length, all that sort of stuff. I find once I've done that, I don't have a drama. So we've got all ST70 Aces. Signals still work really well. And there we go, that's really about it. Still got a few plans to come later on. Maybe changes here or there. And the dog's barking again. Always barks when I'm trying to do stuff. But you've got to remember, close the bridge. Walking through town, should have done that fast. So there you go, enjoy, have a good Christmas.